welcome to kindergarten at Monsignor William Irwin. Come on in and have a look at what our exciting program has to offer. We begin each day with a class meeting. At this time we practice our phonics, alphabet, read a story, and we have time to share with one another in our class discussions. These meetings often lead us into our projects and classroom inquiry topics. We break for snack as a whole group midway through our program. This is an important time for the students to work on language and socialization skills. When we have the opportunity to do kinder cooking, this is also a great opportunity for us to share in the snack that we have created together. Every day in kindergarten, we follow a similar routine. Our day includes whole group time, small group time, and center time. During center time, the students have literacy, numeracy, play-based centers, fine motor centers, and exploring time. For more information, please come and join us at our virtual open house on February 11th at 6:30 to learn more about our school program and our school community.